What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Motorhead YouTube channel. In today's video, we're back to work on the C63S. And today we have a couple of little things we need to fix, and we need the frame machine for it. As you guys remember, it does have some hidden damage right here under the rocker panel, and that's pretty bad. The maxi dent puller is just not strong enough to pull this out. This will need to be pulled with the frame. And then also right here, it's pretty bad, and it crumpled up into there, so this all needs to be pulled out. And we need to pull it out perfectly nice and straight. That way the rocker panel goes on perfectly. And also I did notice while we were doing the body work that there is a bad gap here. It's very tight here and it's pretty big on that side. So I don't know, I'm thinking the whole quarter panel kind of got crunched into there. And so it all needs to be pulled out in this area and here. So we're gonna get Yuri from over at 23rd Garage to knock all this framework out. And to begin, we actually need to get this thing set up on blocks. And as you can see, there is a pinch weld here. So I'm thinking I'm gonna jack it up, take this piece off right here and get it up onto these things. I'm gonna clamp it on both sides and then probably just do blocks on the other side. So we're gonna get started and get this piece off, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so we got this car clamped down and something crazy just happened. So I was working on this one and I thought the weight of the car was on the jack, but it was actually on the weight of this little piece right here. And Vlad loosened it and the car literally fell right onto my finger and stopped, like just barely pushed my finger up in it, dude. It was crazy. Like, you know, like when you loosen it and it'll drop, it dropped to like right here. It was like just barely pinching my finger. Yeah. Dude, that was crazy. But Yuri's here, and so now I think, Yuri, you want me to just go ahead and prep all this for you?
Yes, sir.
What do you think? I mean, we can just re-seam seal it, so I'll just probably just grind all that off, or what do you think? Or maybe I should just do this edge. You just pull the edge, or I mean, whatever you think would be best. And then also another thing, check this out. What do you think is going on here? Look at that gap. You see it's pinched?
Oh man.
And then it also looks like
buckled right here.
Yeah, it's also buckled right here.
Where?
Right there. That? It's like, I don't know. It did get hit right here, so I think it pulled all this in. Because this bumper was destroyed right here. Maybe we can take the bumper off and you can look in there.
Wait, was all this Bondo?
There was a dent right here.
So it may have pushed that quarter in.
Yeah, I mean, we didn't even notice that till after.
Dang.
All right, guys, so Yuri is going to have to pull the quarter panel out too, because it did all buckle down in here and it pulled all this inwards. But we're gonna go ahead and tackle the easy stuff first, which is gonna be these rocker panels. So I need to go ahead and prep all these surfaces. That way he can weld some plates here. We're just gonna do the corners. That way we just weld the plates and we can pull these corners out perfectly. Same thing right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get all this prepped, get those pieces welded on, and get this yanked out. So Yuri actually found some perfect pieces.
Yes, sir. Look at that right there. Boom.
Perfect. Nice.
Put that one there, and then put this one right here. And we'll pull this out. We'll kind of, you know, try to keep it at an angle. Try to recreate whatever's going on there. And then here, what we can do is the same thing. Put one right here, like this.
Dang, that fits like a glove.
Yeah, and just
yank
pull
it out.
And then put something back here, pull that out.
Yeah, so we'll get the easy stuff done first, and then we'll move on to all this.
Yeah. That can of worms up there.
Yeah. right, so we came into a little bit of a dilemma.
A little bit of an issue.
Just a tiny issue.
Yeah. See, I tried not welding it on hard the first time, and they popped off. So I went ahead and, you know, glued it up real nice, and it ended up ripping. That's because, first of all, I may have placed this a little bit wrong, but you know, mistakes happen. What can you say?
Yeah. So what were you thinking? Just replace it?
Yeah, I'm saying that we just cut this piece out, which honestly is what we should have done from the beginning. We were just trying to
get away with it.
We're trying to get away with it. Can't be trying to get away with things. Yeah, just cut it out. We'll bend a new piece in there. I'm sure we can find a piece of metal that will fit in there without having to buy a section of the rocker.
Yeah, because it looks to be just something that we can make with the brake right here.
Yeah, not a big deal. So we can just cut this damaged section out, weld a new piece in there, and we'll be good to go.
All right, let's do it.
I just got this little piece right here cut out, and I've straightened this top section right here. It's a little bit rough, but a little bit more dolling, and I think it will be fine. I just need to straighten out this bottom piece right here also, and then once we get this nice and flat, we can get us a new piece, a replacement piece section to put in there. It's looking pretty straight right now.
Get that dip out right
there. Well, once I cut all this out, I was able to pull everything out, you know, right here. It's pretty easy to pull once you have it opened up. So
yeah.
Now we just need to finish this up right here. I'm kind of having trouble figuring out how I'm going to straighten that, but we'll figure it out, I think.
All right, let's do it. Alright guys, so I haven't really been over here, so pretty much most of this is just new to me. I was painting Nate's Miata. We're actually going to go check that out in here in a second, but Yuri, what did you get done?
Well, I pulled the book.
Probably should start from over there.
Oh, over here?
Yeah.
Over here? Alright, mate. Alright, mate. Alright then. So we put a little patch piece in here, as you guys know.
Oh, nice.
Very nice, you know, right angles. Well, not necessarily right angles, but, well, they are the right angles.
The right angles.
The right angles that go here.
Dude, that looks amazing.
Yeah, it looks good. For what it was and what it is now, I think that's very good. You can put your little Bondo here, you know, put your little tape line.
Seam seal
if you want. I don't know. You can do whatever you want. But all this gets hidden anyway, so it doesn't matter. But I got to say, this was a much better idea than what we were originally trying to do.
Yeah, dude, 100%.
Because to pull all that metal out and then to grind it and then to put Bondo on it, you've already weakened a lot of it. It got weakened from the damage because it got stretched. And then when you're trying to pull it back, you're trying to stretch it, but you really can't, you know? So
yeah.
I think that's much better. It's stronger. It's a little bit thicker steel. And I went ahead and welded both these upper and lower layers to this one, so it's like a little bit stronger right here.
Yeah, dude, I'm really happy. And then he got all this pushed out beautifully, the gap looking nice. Was this tough?
This right here, this kind of gave me some issues because it kept tearing right here. I did not want to put a clamp here to try to save you on body work.
Appreciate that.
Yeah, I tried to do it as least invasive as possible. And if you look right here, there's still a bit of a dent right here, but there is no way that I'm gonna put effort into taking that out.
Yeah, if it rips like that, it's done.
It's just not worth it because of the fact how much damage this car has already received. There's no way that right there is going to do any more like what's it called?
I mean,
it's not gonna knock the resale value off.
Yeah, the resale is what it is already. And then the rear, you said something about frame rails when I was walking by here.
Yeah, so I basically there was damage right here to this bumper, and it did nudge both rear rails over a bit, so I had to pull that back over.
Dude, you got these gaps looking beautiful, bro.
Yeah, they look good, man. And the trunk opens and closes automatically like it's supposed to. So, you know, very happy about that. And
nice.
You know, you can't complain about that.
No, sir. You already knocked it out of the park. Don't leave me hanging.
My bad.
Nah, it's all good. Hey, but it's cool because, you know, 23rd Garage does something for us, and then Motorhead did something for them. For
yeah,
their
we
channel.
literally traded work today.
Yeah, so let's go check it out in the paint booth.
Yeah, let's go see what you did.
All right, so Nate's Miata needed a paint job.
Dang, that thing is slick.
Right, dude? I'm actually like so happy with it, dude. It came out beautiful.
Very nice.
Dude, it just...
Very nice.
It came out good. I'm gonna throw in the wide angle. Look at that.
How do I look on the wide angle over there?
Beautiful, dude. Absolutely beautiful. He's finna be whipping this thing.
Dang, this thing looks good. I don't know if I want to let him drive it, man. He's gonna be getting like rock chips in it.
Hey, hold on, sir. Hey, actually, I sent it to Alec, and he said make sure it don't go through a fence. For the viewers, some context. Nate just got his Z4 painted, and Yuri decided to do a drift.
I just got back from the gym.
He may or may not have scratched the I mean, it was on the bottom. You couldn't even see it.
Yeah, it was nothing.
I'm going to put that clip in right here.
I have to say, the fence took a lot more damage.
Yeah, the fence took more damage, but dude, this thing, I'm happy for Nate, man. He's been slaving on this thing, you know, so
now that you mention it, you know, I heard that Miata's pretty good drift cars, so I'm gonna have to
have a little drift session.
have a little drift session.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, dude, I'm so happy because, you know, this right here is a build on our channel, and for it to be in a position of
just put it together.
Yeah, that's like, for me, that's awesome.
Yeah,
like, I'm trying to go on vacation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can literally, y'all have everything. Y'all slap it together, get that video out, and just dip.
I think Saturday we can get this thing all put back together and have it posted on Facebook Marketplace.
Heck yeah. Hey, fresh paint job. That's got to bring the resale value up.
I mean, think about that, man. Even the hardtop got painted. Dang.
These cars actually have an issue with the hardtop fading, so yeah, better than factory in my opinion.
Yeah, it's very nice. I'm very happy.
Yes, sir.
Everything about this, like, this whole build is going very smoothly, so I'm very happy for Nate, you know?
Yeah, you're happy, I'm happy. Yeah. We're all happy. You know, that's how family is. We just take care of each other.
That's right. And I like that he took my advice and put that roof back right there, because that enabled you guys to paint all the pieces at one time.
Actually, he was going against your advice.
Really?
Yeah, I had to be the second. Once he realized two people had the same.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, he was setting it up over there. I was like, nah, bro, you can't put that there.
I straight up told him, I said, you got to put that roof back exactly where it was.
So pretty much that means that you just got to have two people to tell Nathan to do something for him to do it.
So next time I need Nathan to do something, I'm just going to get
just whisper in my ear, bro. I'm going to come up to him and be, hey.
Yeah, I'm going to tell him.
Yes, sir.
Man,
but
I'm very happy. That's good.
That's going to be it for this video.
Yes, sir. Let's bounce.
All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Before I say anything, big shout out to 23rd Garage. They absolutely knocked it out of the park. I wouldn't even know where to start with this, and that's why we called Yuri in, because he is the pro with this. He got all our gaps looking nice, and it's absolutely beautiful. I love how he did that rocker repair. It just turned out perfectly. And if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you enjoy all the content. Be sure to comment down below what you think of Yuri's frame job. I'm sure you all think it's immaculate. And also, guys, stay tuned. Next episode, this thing's getting painted. No more body work. I did do the hood off camera, and I'm gonna do the door off camera. I don't wanna bore you with any more of that. Next episode, we're throwing this thing in a booth, and we're putting a slick paint job on it like that Miata. So if you wanna stick around and see that, be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can get there when it drops. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all the love and support. And if you want to go follow us on Instagram at motorhead.co, I'll link it down below. Thanks, guys. Peace.